Hello everybody. Today we'll talk about fear of failure. If I ask you who is the fiercest animal in the jungle, you'll probably say it's a lion. True. Are you frightened when a lion comes in front of you? You'll say who won't be? You're right. Same is with the fear of failure. But it's more fierce and frightening than a lion. In case of a lion, you're frightened when the lion comes in front of you, not before that. But fear of failure frightens you even before you face the failure. Fear of failure is so paralyzing that most people don't start the journey to achieve their dreams because they are paralyzed by the fear of failure. So today, let's decimate this fiercest enemy of the mankind. But before that, let's see what is failure. Failure is an event which will invariably happen in your life whenever you are going to do something new, unknown, or difficult. You can't avoid it. If you try to abstain from it, then you can't live your life because there is no success without failure. But there is another facet to this also. If you take a failure positively, then it's actually a setup for a comeback because failures are the pillars of success. Only failures forge you into a more resilient person. Only failures tell you that you are still not ready for success. You need to work more upon you. It's not that you don't fail daily in many things. You do. But what you are doing is choosing out of those failures. You avoid those failures which have maximum pain or fear. Suppose you know before doing something that failure in that thing will not bring anything nasty to you, then you will do it. But if you know beforehand that failure in that thing will bring ignominy to you, then you'll never do it. So daily you are only choosing between the things that bring little or more pain to you in case you fail. We do those things first which will not bring much pain to us even if we fail. And we do those things later or never which bring more pain to us if we fail in those. So whenever you are out to do something new or difficult, you have a fear of failure. To abstain from it, you abstain from doing anything new so that you can avoid fear of failure. But then let me remind you that you have already failed millions of times since your childhood. You failed a lot when you learned to walk on your feet. You fell down again and again, but your parents got you again on your dangling small feet to try it again. You failed for months. You even had bruises on your knees, but your parents still didn't quit. They persisted and you learned to walk. Now imagine, had your parents quit, then you wouldn't be walking today on your feet. Then you failed when you started speaking. You initially couldn't pronounce the words like you do today. You uttered and pronounced them very badly, but your parents again helped you to try one more time. And after a lot of failures, you succeeded. And you speak them so fluently today because you failed thousands of times in your childhood. Then you failed when you started writing in school. You're not able to properly draw the shapes and curves of the letters of the alphabet. Your teacher and parents helped you there also and you learned that. Then you failed when you learned to ride a bicycle. In same way like walking, you fell again and again, had bruises, but you persevered and learned to ride a bicycle. Actually, you can't tell me even a single thing where you didn't fail for the first time and you learned it. You failed thousands of times in whatever you did for the first time. And remember how many things were there which you did for the first time. If not millions, then thousands at least. Eating, combing, brushing your teeth, washing hands, bathing, wearing your clothes, putting on shoes, holding cutlery for cooking and eating, shaving, and zillions others. In short, whatever you do today in your life, you invariably someday did it for the first time in your life, and there you invariably failed again and again. Only then you succeeded and learnt all those things. So your today is sum total of millions of failures and only some thousands of successes you got by failing millions of times. But you will say, why we are discussing all these failures here? Because it's important for us to know how many times we have already failed in the past. And when we have failed millions of times, then why can't we fail few more times now? if you are ready to fail a few more times now, you can achieve everything you can dream of in your life. Highly successful people you see in this world are people who have failed a few more times than you have. That's it. So this was about the failure. Now what is fear of failure? What is its existence? Where it lives or comes from? Actually, it doesn't exist, but it is imaginary in your mind. It's your unseen, invisible enemy. You never see it, nor it's visible. Even then you are afraid of it. It can never harm you like a lion can if confronted, because it's an imaginary thing. Unlike lion, you can fight tens of such fears and come out unscathed. Once you decide something to do, then you have already won over this fear. What does it mean? It means that you fear something only until you are willing to do it. Once you decide that you are going to do it anyway, then you automatically push aside the fear of failure. So now we know that failure is the result of your wrong, half-hearted or misdirected attempts or efforts. If you try again with right efforts, you will invariably succeed. Then second, there is no success without failure. Third, you can succeed faster by failing more and more. Thomas Watson has also said the same thing. Double your failure rate to succeed faster. Another fact is that whatever you do, you will fail. It's just like that. You can't do anything to stop it. Your action part starts only after you have failed and not before it. It is after this that you analyze your failure and learn from it. See what Oprah says about the failure. I don't believe in failure. It's not failure if you enjoyed the process. And see the optimism of Jack Ma when he said, today is hard, tomorrow will be worse, but day after tomorrow will be sunshine. But it will be only when you take action and be ready to fail today, isn't it? The only way to push failure and its fear aside is to move ahead, persist, and not avoid it, but analyze it. It's important from learning point of view. Learn from it. You will never truly enjoy success until you have tested failure. So now we have a recipe for success, and what it is? It is fail, fail, and fail again, and then rise like a phoenix from your failures. That's all for today. If you like this video, then like it, share it with others, and if you still haven't subscribed to our channel, then please do it right away. Let's know about the topics you want to see our future videos on. See you in our next video. Till then, namaskar. Thank you.